Hey yo, what's up? This is the Newist with actually not an opinion, but an unboxing. Yeah, that's right, motherfuckers. I'm bringing you back to 2008 with unboxings. So, yeah, this shit, Toxic Barrel made by OOZE. Literally a ceramic coffee cup that is also marijuana bowl. Oh, tobacco bowl in some states, but anyway, this shit is all the chisel. I seen it, so I'm not gonna act all surprised when I look at it, but I ain't used this motherfucker yet, so I'm about to find out how this motherfucker works. So, styrofoam. No. Alright, but really. This design right here, literally some toxic biohazard shit. Shit, if I drink from this, I might become a superhero the way this fucking shit looks set up. Matter of fact,
at Hipton Tires Plus, you're in the driver's seat.
No, you're not.
1 in 4 cars needs a new battery. It's never a good time to be stuck without a charge.
Yes, it is. Actually, no, they're right. It's never a good time to be stuck without a charge. I'd be looking for a new battery all day. Like, ooh, I about overfilled that and burned myself with this hot motherfucker. Well, test number 1. It does not melt in your hand. Test number 2. It drinks just fine. Yeah, no. You know why we're really here. We're here to get to the good stuff. How does it smoke? Well, gotta be on your grind for that. Sometimes you gotta be doing the boring parts to get to the actual shit involved. So it just be like that sometimes. Oh well. Yeah, we do. The weed's not ground up yet. Now this is some Gorilla Glue number 4. This was grown very fucking well, man. Like, we've all had some Gorilla Glue number 4, but we all know by now that a strain is not the be-all and end-all of how good your weed's gonna be. I actually believed that that was it for a long time, because I've been, smoking since I was 15, which don't do, by the way. Don't start smoking until you're at least an adult. Now, I'm of the belief that if the army says you can grab a gun and go kill motherfuckers, you should be allowed to smoke weed. The law says otherwise, but I've been smoking since I was 15. So, yeah, no. If you're an adult and you can make your own decisions, you should be allowed to do whatever the fuck you want with your life. But that's just what I think. I think I'm crazy, so. Man, this shit smells so good. Oh, wait, we don't have a problem? I thought you was gonna say we have a problem. I wonder how well you can hear this shit. I didn't make it. Yeah, the problem is I didn't make it. Yeah, no, this ain't even an unboxing anymore. This is you watching me dance and grind weed. Oh, I need to start making the Newist make something like this, man. Real shit. The Newist need to be making shit like this. Oh God. Alright, we got our weed ground up. Oh, I got a flake of weed in my coffee. Oh well. Ah yeah, no, we got this bowl loaded up. I'm going to show you guys this motherfucking shit. Oh, I'm trying to, I obviously can't angle the cup to show you. Got some weed, chilling. Got my coffee to wake up. And the carb is right here underneath the cup, so you can hold it. The hit is right here, the mouthpiece. Be super careful not to get any coffee in your weed, like I almost did. I very close to did, but didn't. Almost did. Alright, motherfuckers. We about to smoke. Am I gonna smoke with this song? Nah. Am I gonna have any coffee creamer? Nah. You know why?
We're here to make coffee.